All right, I need a PSI date.
Okay.
I know that your calendar's full, Judge, but he's been in custody since May of 16.
I can do September 15th. Prior time, show that 6 weeks.
So here's my question. So we can call it back on that date, but if you just want to call it back on a different date and have witnesses, because you're playing open, so state, what are you going to be asking for? All right, and you're going to be asking for probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you want to call it back in a week or a couple of weeks, and I can hear whatever evidence you want to put on, we can do that. Otherwise, the PSI takes the time that the PSI takes.
About 2 weeks, Judge.
All right. So you're going
We'll
to
have a
wait.
full calendar next week as
Okay.
well. So.
All right. Norma, can you recall this in 2 weeks?
August 19th.
All right. August 19th. What I can tell you is I'm not going to be here on August 19th. So it would be a different judge hearing it.
What you're doing for it because she's not going to be around the 19th.
You're not going to be on the 19th, Judge?
I can tell you who the judge is, and you can. So if you want, we can call it for a different date, or we can keep it for that judge.
He's willing to go with Judge Herger.
Okay. All right. So then, Norma, this is going to be called on August 19th.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. The court is calling 2026 CR 0075558 State versus Robert Prevost. Could I have parties announced?
Opinion for the state of Texas.
Jerry Raldez, you're from Mr. Peehouse.
And are you Mr. Prevost?
Yes, please.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Prevost, did you review the application with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Prevost, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with failure to register as a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. That you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, he is, and he was.
Mr. Peehouse, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to your plea, you're going open to the court on punishment to be assessed. So what does that mean? That means that there really is no cap to what the court can sentence you to if the court were to decide to sentence you to prison time. So that means that the court could grant your application for community supervision, or the court could sentence you anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand? So you understand that's what going open means to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the state, they are going to oppose your application. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And of course, you will have to register. So is there anything that you do not understand about the plea bargain agreement or lack thereof that you've reached?
No, ma'am.
The only thing that's been reached in your plea bargain agreement is the state is proceeding on count 1, that they're opposed to your application, and that you have to register. You understand? Everything else is open. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, this time state no law, print evidence, this is exhibit one, all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Yes.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right. And with regards to count 1, do you plead true to the fact that you've been previously convicted in cause number CR-04-475 out of Hayes County, Texas on January 20th, 2005 in the 22nd Judicial District Court of Hayes County?
Yes, ma'am.
And that is true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true, and the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty, and we will proceed with sentencing on August 19, 2026.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And PSI is waived.
And be excused, Judge.
Yes.
The seat, sir. Thank you.